Oh, snap.
Man, you just want to go up a little bit since there.
I like that. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
We did 10 ourselves, so.
Ain't bad.
There's 5% limo back there. Whew. I'm gonna hop in?
Yeah?
Alright.
I hear it. Nice doors.
Thank you. If you want to get a picture of this one without the dust cap missing.
Oh, that's good. What's your name and what's in here?
My name's Logan Stafford. I've got 4 DD 3500 Series 15s on an M4. I've got 4 8s in each door by DD, the Pro Audio Neos, and 3 VOB 1As in each door. Both one door, a DMF 2800 on each door.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
I did a 149.9 on the dash. Brand new, built this week.
Nice. So it's still breaking in? And
yeah.
Okay.
So 149.9 on the dash is pretty good.
That is really good, yeah.
There you go.
What are you wired down to?
I don't exactly know. That's I believe it's either 1 or half.
Okay. And do you know your port tuning?
It's playing good at about 38.
Okay.
I don't know the exact peak and all that.
You're good. Yes, sir. And this is a 4th order?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the specs of the box?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. It's all good. I like the
right.
way it's kind of triangular prism to it, so nice. It's unique.
All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm getting off of it now.
Yeah.
Them brand new subs, if I pop one, I am done for.
Yeah, don't blow anything today.
So clean.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for the demo. Hey, what vehicle is this?
It is a 96 Chevrolet 1500 extended cab.
Okay.
And there is still more to come with it. There's actually, this is a 1-week build, but we're actually going to build a custom console with 8 more 8s and 4 more horns.
Really? Oh, so it's going to add a lot more of the
yeah.
the higher end mids and highs. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. What's your name?
Logan Stafford.
Logan Stafford. All right.
And I got one more thing to show you. So
Sure.
you can get a good view on the subs.
All right.
Back here.
Oh, snap.
Man, you just want to go up a little bit since there.
I like that. Could you play a song at lower frequency and I can get some subflex?
I can.
No, let's not do that. Let's not blow nothing.
Yeah, just with how they're smelling right now.
Yeah, let's not let them cool off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that is nice. Did you build this?
Me, my dad, and the buddy that owns that truck all did.
You did? Wow.
We did it all in a week too.
Really? That looks really good.
Thank you.
I like it. Thanks for showing me, man. Wow.
Yep.
That looks great. It's a good idea. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.